Hey everybody, we're struggling over here because Aunt Sally keeps turning a little heater on over there. It's so cold. No, it's not. No, it's not, Aunt Sally.
I can feel it in my bones.
Y'all, having to drink this. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Okay, so here's what I want you to do for today. For today, you are going to take out your error analysis, the one that's got a number 1 at the top in your folder. Take that out. Woo! Can we cut that off, Aunt Sally? Can we cut it off? Okay, so we did these in class together. We did a couple of these together. You're going to use order of operations to solve these. So don't forget, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So, but the first thing you have to do is make sure that they wrote the equation correctly. Okay, so let's go through this first one, and then I'm going to go through with you how you're going to solve. How you're going to solve each square. Okay, so the first one says 5 friends are going to a basketball game. It will cost each. It'll cost X dollars for each to get into the game, and 4 of the friends will buy a pretzel for $3. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost for the 5 friends. So let's look at the equation that they set up. It says 5x plus 4, and in parentheses, x plus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you that the equation is where they messed up on this one. Okay, we're going to do this together, okay? So it says that it will cost each of them X dollars to get into the game. And only 4 of the friends are getting a pretzel for $3. Okay, so this is the equation that they have set up already. This is incorrect, okay, because they have multiplied. This is correct, right? Because 4 friends will get, kind of, right? It's kind of right. But why would we be multiplying by 5? Because we're talking about the 5th friend. We're not going to multiply it by 5. It's still just one person, right? So let's look at the correct way to set this up would have been to put x plus 3, because 4 of the friends will have to pay the cost of the game plus $3 for a pretzel. So that will be their cost for each one, and there are 4 friends that are getting that cost. So 4 times x plus 3. And that 5th friend just has to pay to get into the game. So they're just going to have to pay that x, okay? So this is the correct equation that you should have used for this. So here's how you will solve this, okay? In this box right here, it says identify the error and explain. We have already identified the error in this problem. They set up the problem incorrectly. So you are going to write in word form what they did wrong, okay? Here it says correct the work and then find a solution. So you're going to work it out correctly using the correct correct problem that we have set up. So work out the problem, and then here you're going to share your strategies. We are using order of operations to solve these. So setting them up, you can use use the equation that we have come up with together to set it up, and you're going to use order of operations to solve, okay? Be sure you use correct grammar on these. Always, always, always use correct punctuation, spelling. You guys know these things. Okay? Let's look at the next one, okay? On the second page, a bag of apples comes with 3 red apples and 1 green apple. Use R to represent the total cost of the red apples, and G to represent the cost of the green apples. Write and simplify the expression to represent the total cost of 7 bags of apples. So this is the equation that they have come up with. So 3 times the red plus a green times 7. Okay, so they are very close. The only thing is that we want to put these in parentheses. She got that heater back on. She got that heater back on. Okay. Please excuse my dear exhale, y'all. Okay, so in parentheses, we need to have these two because each bag comes with 3 red and 1 green. So we're actually going to write this as 3R plus a G. We're going to multiply this whole thing by 7. Not just this G, because the way they've set it up before is the G is just going to be multiplied by the 7. But we're actually multiplying this whole thing by the 7, right? So that is the correct equation that you are going to use for that problem. So follow the same thing, do the same steps. Okay, so this last page, I'm going to let you guys read and solve on your own. I know these are kind of tricky, but you guys can do it. I believe in you. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to call or text me. I will have my phone on me all day. So, good job, guys. Bye.